Hi, everybody. Dion here. As you can see, I'm not in the garden today. I'm volunteering for the monthly planting party at Welkin Farms in West Sacramento for a couple of hours. I'm hoping I'll be able to get some footage for you guys of the other volunteers sowing seeds and planting plants. Welkin Farms sells food and plants to the public, but they also give produce to the less advantaged. So I thought I'd volunteer and to be of service to the community. I'll let you guys know how it turns out. It should be a fun day. I'm looking forward to it.
So hi, my name is Daria Ryan, and I'm here at Welkin Farms. We have a small plot here in West Sacramento. So the farm was born out of us sort of recognizing the need in Sacramento and West Sac. Um, there are people waiting for about 3 years. There's like a 3-year waiting list for community plots. So there is a huge need for people to get in touch with nature and come out and garden. And we couldn't find a place to go. We couldn't find a place where we could garden. So we wanted to start Welkin Farms, where people could be welcome to come and do what we do today, which is a planting party this spring. So we planted a lot of tomatoes, peppers, and flowers for everybody to share. All of our volunteers are welcome to come back in summer and take veggies for themselves. And so this is just a stepping stone. We have another project that we're actually looking to get more volunteers for. And this project is a little bit ambitious. We want to bring the first rooftop farm to Sacramento and talk to people at the Bloomer Farm in Berkeley and then farm also in Berkeley that is very productive, very successful. So there are lots of precedents to this type of pilot project that we want to see here in Sacramento. And if we can get the whole support that we need, if we can build the team, bring some ambitious people, I would think that Sacramento and West Sac, both of these places would benefit from another beautiful productive green space. It's bounty, share with each other, get to know what it's like to grow your own fresh food. And then plans, big dreams, big ideas. So, if we ever use some help, anybody who wants to come and visit, please come visit us on our website. It's welkinfarms.com. We're very approachable. Send us a message.
And I found it on meetup.com.
That's great.
Because I was looking for gardening opportunities to come meet some nice people and get my hands dirty and do good for the world. So you have, what we did today was you provided us with seedlings and things, and we just showed up. You guys worked this plot yourself. You ran your own water, and there are other plots around you. And this is all one part of a larger
Yeah,
nonprofit.
this is a beautiful place to be. Places like this are so needed in our community, but unfortunately, they're disappearing. Thankfully, we have a 5-year here. We know we're going to stay for 5 years. We want to have places like this in our cities. If you want to come out here and enjoy nature, I think we all need to join forces and advocate for more.
I agree. I'll walk around. Take some pictures of your beautiful plants. Thank you so much.